Hi all. In this section, we are going to make this simple star pattern using nested for loop. Loops we have already understood: for loop, while loop and do while loop. Now in this we are going to practice this star pattern, but we are going to use nested for loop. First I am having one star, then I am having one break, then two stars, then break, three stars, four stars, five stars, and it keeps on going based on the number I have given. Okay, now we are going to learn how to make this kind of star pattern. Now I have cleaned my console. I do not have anything. Here I am just having simple HTML page. Inside this I am having one script tag. Now inside this script tag, what I am going to do? First I am just going to give the number. How many lines I want that stars. So let n is equal to 10. Accordingly you can give, and also I'm just going to create one more variable string, and I will be giving empty string. I'm not going to assign any value to that string. Now I will be using for loop. Inside this we are going to pass three expression. First is initialization, second is condition, and third is increment or decrement based on our condition. So I'm just going to write let I is equal to 0, or let me write let I is equal to 1 semicolon I is less than or equal to n. Okay, whatever value I have given here, that I will be passing here. I is less than or equal to n, which means I is less than or equal to 10. This will be the condition. It will be checked every time. Then I will be incrementing the value of I. So now if I just print the value of I log, I will save this. Now you can see the value of I is 1 to 10. First time the value of I is 1. It will be checking the condition. 1 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, it is. So it will print 1. Now it will increment the value to 2. I is equal to 2. 2 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, it is. So it will print 2. So basically value of I is 10 now. I will just comment it out. Now inside this I just want another loop. Okay, nested loop. I will be writing here for. Again I'm just going to write let j is equal to 1. J is less than or equal to n. And here I'll be writing j plus plus. Now inside this I'm just going to print the value of j. I will just save this one. Now you can see here the value of j. First time I am having 1 to 10. Then again I am having 1 to 10. Then again I am having 1 to 10. Totally 10 times I will be having 1 to 10. Because this is nested inside this loop. So first time value of I is 1. It will check for the condition. The condition is true. It will come inside this loop. Now the value of j is 1. J is less than or equal to 10. Yes, it is. So it will display 1. It will increment the value of j. Now j is 2. 2 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, it is. So again I will be getting the result as 2. So it will keep on doing unless and until my j becomes 10. Now j is 10. 10 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, it is. So it will print 1 to 10 for the first time. Okay, first data I will be getting. Now j becomes 11. This condition fails. This condition fails. I will come outside this loop. Now the value of I is incremented to 2. So I will be equal to 2. So again for I is equal to 2, this loop will be running 10 times. Again this I will increment to 3. Again this loop will run 10 times. So totally 10 times a loop is going to run. 10 times I will be getting 1 to 10 as my result. But when I display I, only from 1 to 10 I will get the result. But for j, as it is nested, so it will be running again and again until this condition fails. As soon as this condition fails, I will come outside of this loop. Again I will go inside this loop. Again I will be incrementing the value. Again I will come inside this loop. Okay, this is the logic behind this. Now let me just write here hello. Hello has to be displayed once, and here I'm just going to write good morning. I will save this. Now let me just change the number to 2 here. I will save this. Now you can see first time I am having hello, I is displayed. Then 2 times good morning is displayed. Then again I am having I, value of I is increased to 2. I will have here I will be having hello once. Then again good morning 2 times. Then again value of I is increased to 3. Now the condition fails. I will be terminating from this loop. Okay, this is the simple logic behind this. Now what I will be doing here, instead of writing this one, I'm just going to assign the value to my string variable. String plus or equal to, I just want the star. I just want to display the star. So I'm just giving a star. Whatever value I'm having from j, each and every time, I just want to assign this star to this string. Let me just write here 10. Now previously I am having empty string. So empty string plus star, I will get star. Now after this first loop, I just want to break that one. String, and for this string, I will be giving the new line. After this loop, it should be starting inside the new line. So what I have done here, I have just started the loop. First the value of, okay, 10 times it is just going to run. So let me just show you the result here. I will just write here console.log, and inside this I just want to display string. I will save this. Now you can see this will be the result. Each and every time I will be getting this star. Value of I is 1, j is 1, and n is 10. So first time it is just going to assign empty string plus star will be star. So that will be assigned. After that I just have to give one break. Okay, after that I have to give this break. I will save this. Now you can see I am getting this result. Now what happened here? It is just going to check for this condition. How many times I am having n, that many times this will be executed. So, so my n is 10. So first line I will be getting 10 as my result. 10 times it will be executed. Then I will be having one break. After that I am just displaying the string. Again the value of I will become 2. Again it will come inside the loop. Again same thing happens, and I will be getting the star pattern. But I don't want this one. I should be getting, in first line I should be getting 1, then 2, then 3. Based on that I should be getting. So instead of n, I will be writing the value of I. Whatever value of I am having, that many times I just have to print the star. Now if I save this, I will be getting this pattern. Now what happened here? First, value of I is 1. This condition becomes true. I will come inside this. Now value of I is 1. So here 1 will be assigned. J is also 1. So 1 is less than or equal to 1. Yes, it is. So this star will be assigned to string. Again the value of j will be incremented. Now j value is 2. This condition fails. I will be having one break. I have printed one time. Okay, star is printed one time. Now again I will come inside this. I will become 2. Condition is true. I will come inside this one. Now the value of j is 1, but value of I is 2. So 2 times it is going to execute. First time empty, you can see empty plus star. Empty plus star, I will get the result as star. Now the value of string is star. Again I am just giving one more star. I am just concatenating here. So I will be getting the result as star star for the second time. So this will be the value stored inside the string. Again I am having one break. One break will be given after this, and I am just printing the string. My string is having 2 stars, so that will be displayed. So again same process repeats, and I will be getting this pattern. Just practice this pattern, simple patterns, so that you will understand about nested loops. So now instead of this pattern, I just want 10 stars, 9 stars, 8 stars. So like that I just want. So for that, only thing we have to change is n minus I. You just have to write this one. I will save this. Now I will be getting this pattern. Now what happened here? 10, value of n is 10, 10 minus 1, that is 9. So it is going to execute for 9 times, then 8 times, 7 times, 6 times, 5 times, 4 times. Okay, like that it is going to execute, and I will be getting this result. Okay, this is how we are going to use nested loops. I hope you understood the star pattern. Just practice this pattern, and in internet you will be getting advanced patterns as well. Start with the basic, then slowly move forward to advanced patterns, and you will be easily mastering this kind of patterns. Okay, that's all for this session. If you want any advanced pattern, let me know in the comment section so that I will be making video on that.